Hello! Now I show you how to create cup cover embroidered on burlap. It is cute thing for saving warm in cup and save your hands if cup is hot. First you need hard burlap. I use decorative burlap ribbon, scissors, canvas needle with the blunt end, sewing needle thin, sewing needle medium, crochet hook, bottom, woolen fabric cut, black fine thread for contour, thick threads for embroidery, 8 colors. I use woolen thread and thread for knitting, sewing threads to match the burlap. The size of the burlap measure taking into account the stock of 2 threads weave on the bottom and top edge plus a set for a bottom and a loop of the side edges. Start embroidery from the top of the center. Move from collar to collar, so it will be easier to count crosses. Since the burlap is rigid, hoops are not needed. Burlap is easy to hold in your hand and it doesn't not bend. Move gradually to the bottom edge of the embroidery. Then move to the leaves to the side. Move from dark green to light green. Then move on to the side leaves. When the cross stitch is finished, you can take a thin black thread and embroider the contours. I did it random order where I liked. I did not sew the brown leaves with black thread, so that there was an easy transition from burlap to embroidery. Now you need woolen fabric cut, sewing needle medium, sewing needle thin, sewing thread in color burlap, crochet hook, bottom, green thread, dark orange thread, your mark. Cut out the woolen fabric a few millimeters larger than the burlap. Thick piece of woolen fabric with a dark orange thread using blanket stitch. Now you need a mark to try on what side the bottom hole will be. I did 30 chain with chain stitch, made single crochet. To make leaf, I use single crochet and double crochet stitch. Be sure to leave a long thread so that the bottom hole can be sewn with it. Sew the bottom hole on one side. Sew the bottom on the other side. Use sewing thread in color burlap. Sew the burlap to the woolen fabric with hidden stitch. Carefully sew the burlap to the fabric at several points with small stitches. It is practically will not be visible, neither on the front side nor on the wrong side. Now you can see your cup cover. Congratulate you. Thank you for watching.